It's October 6th. I think it's October 6th. I write a lot and I do a lot of stuff and I stay up a lot, so sometimes I don't know what day it is. I know it's Sunday. It has to be the 6th because the 8th is a release date and it's Sunday. I think the Patriots are playing right now. I am not watching. At some point I'll end up somewhere watching it. Right now, along the Charles River, I've seen a disgusting amount of Bostonians out here rocking shorts, sandals. Like, they don't even have umbrellas. I can't talk shit, I don't have an umbrella. But I never have an umbrella. I'm an individual. Please press the independent thought alarm. The button should be just underneath the chair. Some of y'all get that, some of y'all won't. Google it, it's everywhere. This is the age of Google. There are no secrets. So, in between me writing pieces, I like to get out someplace and write. Because I cannot stay in one place forever. That would drive me insane. So this is one of the locations I go to when I need to clear my head. I think I've walked about 2-3 miles already in circles. This is like really relaxing after you've written a couple 2,000 plus pieces, 2,000 word pieces, and you haven't really slept yet. I'm gonna go back home, do the brunt of another one, then maybe I'll sleep, then I'll finish it. And that will pretty much be my weekend. I'm trying to make as much money as possible. Coming up in January, I'm gonna have to reevaluate what I'm doing right now, because this whole hip-hop writing in the blogosphere, that shit, yeah, man, I'm not really enjoying what's going on right now in it. I'm not really digging the direction it's taking. I'm gonna have to reevaluate what I'm gonna do. Might just focus on just straight books. Or maybe just focus on specific things. Because as much as I love hip-hop, trying to be one of the lone people that actually wants to write about it, and then everybody else wants to do fucking lists like BuzzFeed with like 3 words and a whole bunch of GIFs. No. Or writing lists where it's like, after you get mad at somebody for doing a half-ass list, they're like, well, it wasn't the end-all be-all, wasn't a definitive list, because it was just something to throw up on the site just to get traffic until you write another piece. I understand what's going on, I don't like it. I can only see so many just badly written pieces just thrown together shit on, and you know it's thrown together on purpose. It just lowers the whole quality of writing, period, man. I can't fuck with it. Alright then, 1.